guys, it's Shira and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a day in a life as a small business owner. So yesterday I wasn't feeling myself. I was like feeling a little down, so I just didn't do my makeup, watch movies. I did a little work in the morning, but today I have a few things I need to get done. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I got ready, and I'm feeling a lot better. So I'm gonna show you guys my desk because it's looking kind of crazy because I need to like clean up my little office area. I need to make more earrings. As you know, I started doing daily restock, or not daily, I started doing weekly restock, so there's a lot and I feel like a little bit, I don't feel like too pressured, but I feel like I would like to get something new out. But this morning I have a few things I like really need to do. So let me show you my little desk. So my desk is very messy. I have resin all over it. It's like when I first started. So hopefully for Christmas I could get a new like desk, because this desk literally sucks, but it's like for my first time, but whatever. Yesterday I did resin work, so I did like these little popsicles. I was just playing around. Like I could do keychains with these, but I don't know how I feel about them. I'm not like convinced yet. I did 2 orders, so I have, this is for an order and then this is for the order. My letter resin keychains, my lip gloss keychains are like my best seller, and I have upgraded them a lot since when I first started, and I'll let you guys know in this video what I changed when I first started to now. These are what I'm very, very excited about. So these are little, let's see, be able to focus. These are little butterflies, and I think I'm gonna make earrings out of them. How'd focus? You guys get the point. From over here you could see. Yeah, so these are just ones I practiced yesterday. I'm gonna make more. This one is literally my favorite. It is so nice. It's like a white shimmer. It's really cute. It's looking more silver on the camera, but it's more white. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. Earrings, I'm gonna be doing that. I'll probably be doing it later today too. I did this one. I think it's hard because of the sun. Like, look how pretty this glitter is. This is the glitter that I said is my favorite on the earrings. And this could be like a little keychain. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make some lip gloss keychains with this, so they could be pre-made, and they still look pretty cute. I'm obsessed with this white glitter though. So yeah, I want to make some keychains for that. I have Christmas glosses that I restocked that need to be labeled. So all those need to be labeled. I need to clean up this scrap clay. I have some earrings ready to be drilled and some that need to be sanded. And I just need to clean up this whole like desk situation, and I feel like I need to clean up all my drawers. I need to get my life together, guys. Okay, so sometimes if my desk is literally a mess, I cannot work. I feel so stressed out and I feel like everything's just in the way. So I'm thinking I'm going to like clean up my stuff. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my new, so this is my new clay conditioning roller, and I'm super excited to use it, so I'm going to use it today probably. So yeah, my next video I'm going to show you guys how I make my earrings. So maybe that's going to be the second video when I use this. So today I'm just going to like clean, make earrings, do my resin keychains, probably put these together and label those. Also, I need to take some like product pictures. I have new stud earring packs, and I also have like new earrings available. These are like my favorite. They're so cute, and I need to get them on the website and get ready for Friday, because Friday is my restock day. And yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys down and I'm gonna clean up my workstation so I could get to work. Hopefully today's a good day. Yesterday was a mess, so let's get started. Look how cute this is. Come on, please focus. This is so cute. So if you order the keychain by itself, I do add this little tassel now. Before I didn't. But that is so cute. I'm obsessed. I want to make an S for myself, I think, of this one. Okay, so now that I have everything cleaned up, I can now start to work. So I'm going to package up the orders that I need to send out to the post office today. So I have 2 keychains, I have a lip gloss order, and then I do have the Of Clay Makers gift exchange. So I feel like I should just get it out now so it's there in time for them to like reveal what they got and things like that. So I have that to send out. I do need to file these keychains and stuff, because I don't just send them like this anymore. I actually put a lot more work into it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm just going to do a little fast motion, and you guys could ask me questions down below. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how I actually make these, I did do a video on how I make them, but a lot has changed since then. So yeah, let's get started. Look how cute this order is. So I try to put in the sun so you guys can see like the sparkle. And it looks so cute. So this one is frosted flowers they chose. So they could range from different colors, just depending on the colored flower. I just randomly choose what flowers go where. There we go. They look so pretty in the sun. Alright, so the next step that I'm going to do is package these up, and then I'm going to take them to the post office, and then I'm going to stop by the mall because I need to get my boyfriend something for Christmas, and then I'm going to come back and work some more. So I'm going to show you guys the process of me packing. Packaging has changed a lot since the last time I uploaded. So these are so cute. I'm so happy with how these came out. And I'm still going to work on the butterfly one today too, to see what it looks like. But what was I saying? Yeah, so my packaging has changed a lot since I last uploaded my packing video. So I use the bubble mailers for people that don't order as many stuff, but I started using boxes as well. So now I have little small boxes and I try to package it really cute. I have personalized tape. I'm working on getting stickers. I'm waiting a little bit first, and then maybe like later on in the future. Oh man, my arm is hurting because I'm holding my camera. yeah, so I'm gonna show you the process of me packaging. If you guys want a more detailed video on packaging, let me know and I could film that one soon, hopefully. But yeah, let's get to packing these orders. I need to take them to the post office. Okay, so my camera was about to die, so I went shopping, charged my battery, but I went shopping, got my boyfriend some stuff for Christmas. Let me know if it's hard for you guys to choose gifts for your boyfriend or husband, or just a guy is really hard for me. I don't know what to get them, honestly. So that's done. I'm gonna go to the post office later to drop these 2 packages off, and now I'm gonna start like my earrings and get those situated and everything like that. So yeah, let's make some earrings. And then this video is not going to be like a fully detailed video on how I make my earrings. I think I'm going to make a separate video on that, actually explaining what I do. And obviously all the earrings that I make, I don't always make them into earrings. Sometimes I like cut it out and everything and then I don't like it. So yeah, I have like a bag full of like earring pieces that aren't going to be earrings. I started throwing some away though. So yes, so I have these few pieces to be sanded, and after I'm going to drill holes and like some of these, assemble them. And I also have a few studs. I have the new what's called butterfly earrings I want to try to make and see what they look like. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, these studs are very time consuming, but that's basically all I'm gonna do today. Let me show you guys some of the earrings. Oh god, I got hair everywhere. Let me show you some of the earrings. So we have this one. These are the first ones I did with this texture. And then we have brown. These ones are probably my favorite right here. These ones came out so cute. The studs I'm not going to show you guys yet because they're drying and I have to put resin afterwards. So yeah, if you want an idea, they'll look something like this, just different colors. And yeah, pretty like simple studs. I also have like a Christmas collection one. So these are super cute. I'm obsessed with these. Alright, so that's basically all I'm gonna do today. Every day is different. This is just one day of my life, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!